Hello ladies and gentlemen, just giving you a quick update on what's happening in the greenhouse. I'm well excited because the tomatoes have started to ripen now, and as you know, that is my favorite time because I can now put tomatoes in my salad, and they are looking wonderful. Here we are. There's another one there, and I must say that they are very big. We have some big ones here. There's another one. So things are looking nice in the greenhouse, and as you can see, the gherkins or cucumber for some is they are producing very well, thanks to God. And we've got more eggplant coming. Which is looking beautiful. There we are. We've got more plants coming. So things are looking up in here. Things are getting excited, and I'm happy, thanks to God, to see how this small DIY greenhouse has been producing. This is the second year of the DIY greenhouse, and it's been through very heavy winds, and it's been through the snow. Yes, well, it's been through lots of very strong winds, and it's been through quite a few snowfalls, but the DIY greenhouse is still standing, thanks to God, and is still giving us a good environment for the crops to grow and produce nicely. So thanks to God for his blessings, and may the Lord bless you also as you continue on your country living adventure.